crazy storm blowing through Binghamton, New York right now, and it's crazy. I'm glad I'm not out though. I got inside just in time because here it is and here it comes. Wow. Like, what the what? Like, this is crazy. This is if you're outside my front door. No, I'm not outside. I promise. What the fudge? What the fudge and fudge is going on? Well, at least at least the plants are getting watered that I have in front of the house. Seems like it's almost done, but I don't think so. Whoa. All right, we got some lightning now. Oh, my door doesn't blow open. Are you serious right now? Sorry, I keep switching hands. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, that's gonna blow through quick. I think so, anyway. I'm documenting it. I know I'm not outside, like I said. It's Monday, July 15th, I think. Right now, I don't know what day it is. No, I know what day it is. I shouldn't say that. It's Monday. And that storm is just a blowing. I'm sure you can hear the. Let me shut up so you can hear the sound. Whoa. Listen to that thunder. I'm documenting this just in case the storm gets really bad, but I don't think it's gonna. Whoa! I know y'all heard that. The thunder rolls and the lightning strikes. Whoa! Holy crap! I used to hate thunder and lightning, and I love it. Whoa. Yeah, this video is going to be too long to make it short. So I'll just upload it. Whoa. Holy sugar. Keeping language clean for YouTube. And because I don't like to swear much anymore. Oh, tree's just still moving. Is that the end of it? I think so, everybody. No. Whoa, what the? Whoa. Alright, guys, I'm wrapping this up. Whoa, yeah, I want to hear some more thunder. Trying to get some more thunder, guys, but that's not working. Alright, guys, stay safe if you're out. Don't ever chase the storm, guys.